Left, right, and mid, we've all used them. And we've all broken them, because the moment your text changes length, the whole formula falls apart. But Excel has a function that makes text extraction effortless. Let's look at a real example. Here is a dataset with names, cities, countries, and one column full of messy, inconsistent text. This is exactly the kind of data where left and right functions fail, because nothing is the same length, nothing is predictable, and nothing lines up. The solution is the TEXTAFTER function. TextAfter fixes this issue by letting you extract text based on a delimiter, not a character count. You tell Excel what comes after the text you want, and Excel handles the rest. Let's start simple. In the notes, every row contains a code, but it's hidden inside a messy string. Function TEXTAFTER jumps straight to the code no matter where it appears or how long it is. It's very important to get the delimiter right, otherwise the formula will not work. Let's drag the formula down. And here we have the codes. Let's take another example. Each row includes a status like OK or hold. Again, the location in the text string changes, but the pattern doesn't. Let's use TEXTAFTER to find the status. Type TEXTAFTER and choose the right delimited, in this case status followed by semicolon. And here we have the status. TextAfter gives you cleaner formulas, fewer errors, logic that adapts to messy data, and text extraction that actually makes sense. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.